Umbilical region. Now, umbilical region includes organs like a few part of the stomach, transverse colon, pancreas, and small intestine. The 9 regions of stomach. The umbilical region is the middlemost region of the 9 regions of the stomach, and it is located between the below part of the epigastric and the above part of the suprapubic. Common causes of the pain in the umbilical region includes stomach ulcer, intestinal obstruction, the constipation, food poisoning, acute appendicitis, IBD like Crohn's disease, umbilical hernia, and pancreatitis. Talking about the acute appendicitis, the causes are due to the obstruction of the lumen from various etiological factors, which increases the intraluminal pressure, leading to ischemia, which in turn favors bacterial proliferation. The types are two types, obstructive and non-obstructive. Symptoms includes loss of appetite, fever, McBurney signs, which means tenderness on the right side, colicky pain, nausea and vomiting, increased pulse rate, neutrophilic leukocytosis. The complications of acute appendicitis includes peritonitis, appendix abscess, adhesion, portal phlebitis, and mucositis. Talking about the pancreatitis, mostly acute one, the features are talking about the causes. Now, acute appendicitis includes gallstones and colodolithiasis, obstruction, metabolic factors, vascular factors, and post-operative. The causes of chronic pancreatitis includes chronic alcoholism, biliary tract disease, common channel theory, hyperparathyroidism, hyperlipidemia, intrapancreatic duct obstruction, or it may be heredity. Talking about the clinical features, this includes abdominal pain, persistent and repeated nausea and vomiting, anorexia and weight loss, steatorrhea, the stools are greasy, bulky and foul smelling, malabsorption, diabetes, jaundice, which is rare. The investigations done are CBC, which shows elevated level of the pancreatic enzyme, stool test, which shows steatorrhea, that is presence of fats in the stool, CT scan shows gallstones, USG shows gallstones and inflammation due to the gallstone or obstruction, endoscope, inflammation and blockages. Talking about the peptic ulcer, the causes may be H. pylori bacterial infection or the long-term use of the drugs like ibuprofen, aspirin. Symptoms include stomach pain, feeling bloated, nausea or vomiting, weight loss, loss of appetite, burping. Now, talking about the complications, the gastric ulcer creates complications like perforation or hemorrhage and obstruction, which is extremely rare. There may be 1% chance of the malignancies in gastric ulcer. Investigation endoscopy, which will show presence of the ulcer. X-ray like barium swallow makes ulcer more visible. Umbilical hernia. Abdominal tissue bulges out through an opening in the abdominal muscle around the belly button. Symptoms like pain or pressure at the site of hernia. It looks like a lump in the navel, becomes more obvious on laughing, crying or coughing, shrinks on lying down or in the relaxed. Investigation, which includes the physical examinations, CVC, USG and X-ray. Complication: if protrusion becomes trapped and cannot be pushed back into the abdominal wall, the intestine might lose its blood supply, causing a gangrene. The IBD, that is inflammatory bowel disease like Crohn's disease, also known as the regional enteritis. It is an inflammatory bowel disease. Location is 15 to 25 cm of the terminal ileum, cecum, or it may also be present in the ascending colon. Symptoms, which includes diarrhea, abdominal cramps, blood in your stool or fever. Investigation done are CBC to look out for anemia, stool study like occult blood or any organism or parasite present, colonoscopy, the clusters of inflammatory cell or granulomas are seen, CT scan, MRI for evaluating a fistula around anal area or intestine, capsule endoscopy or balloon assisted enteroscopy is done. Talking about the intestinal obstruction. Now, a gastrointestinal condition in which the digested material is prevented from passing normally throughout the bowel. The symptoms include severe abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, inability to pass gas or stools, bloating, loss of appetite or constipation. The investigations done are again physical examination if the abdomen is swollen or tender or if any lump is present, X-ray, CT scan which is done in a cross-section manner, USG, bull's eye due to intestine which is collided with the intestine barium enema. Complications include tissue death, due to cut of blood supply which may result in the perforation. Infection like peritonitis may occur. Cullen sign. Now, Cullen sign, it is an hemorrhagic discoloration of the umbilical area due to intraperitoneal hemorrhage. The causes may be pancreatitis, cancer of the pancreas, ectopic pregnancy, liver problems, or any other causes of the internal abdominal bleeding. The color of the blues, there are different colors of the bruises depending on the time. Yellow, green are moderate, purple may be severe condition. Symptoms included are edema, bruising, discoloration of the fatty tissue.